Good morning, good day, good afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are in the world. In this video today, we're going to talk about our BLU tire pressure monitoring systems, and you're going to see me talk with my hands a lot because that's what I do. So, what are these products and what do they do? These are Bluetooth tire pressure monitors, so you can monitor the tire pressure and temperature on your vehicle that otherwise wouldn't come equipped with factory sensors. What is a factory tire pressure monitor sensor, or TPMS? That's when you're driving down the road and you see that little light on your dashboard that says, looks like a flat tire with an exclamation point that you ignore. That's what those are. These monitor your tire pressure and temperature in your wheel and tire, and it sends a signal straight to your phone and has push alerts. So what does that mean? As I'm driving down the road, now my off-road trailer, our Shutt XV2, we can drive down the road. If I've got a tire that starts to fail, starts to heat up, my pressure is getting low, it's going to tell me on my cell phone. These are great in motorcycles. We see a lot of people using them on Harleys, street bikes, side-by-sides, travel trailers, and motorhomes. These are available in both an external and internal style. So our external style screws right onto your existing valve stem. These are waterproof. You can change the batteries. These are rugged. Like I said, we use these for off-road use all the time. Go through water, puddles, no issues. They're available in 2, 3, 4, and 6-piece kits. And then we have our internal kits too. So if you don't want this hanging out on the outside of your Schrader valve or valve stem, we also offer these. Now keep in mind, these need to be installed by a professional tire dealer or tire shop because you will need to break the bead on your tire in order to install them. So how do you set them up? How easy is it? I'm going to send you over to a guy that's much better looking and much smarter than me, whose name is Joe, to explain how to set up the app and how to get going with your BLU TPMS systems. These are available on AlliedExpedition.com and AlliedPowersports.com. Here's Joe.
All right, everybody, I'm Joe. I guess I'm going to show you how to do this setup on the TPMS. It's really very simple. What we're going to do, first thing is I'm going to fire up the app. So here I've got my TPMS app. Just start that up. The first screen you're going to see, well, there's a couple of screens that you will have seen beforehand. First of all, you need to, of course, allow the app to access your Bluetooth. It's also going to ask you to allow location services. You do need to make that available to this app. That's just part of the wireless protocol we use. So when you see these templates, for this example, I'm going to use the trailer template to get us started. You're going to see these data windows that have the red pluses in there. I'm just going to select the right-hand data window. These are the options for registering the sensor to the app. The easiest way to do it, I think, is to use the QR code learning. Every sensor has a QR code etched onto the top of the cap, which corresponds to its unique 5-digit ID code. So if you tap the QR code learning, it's going to bring you back to this, and it says wait for learning. Tap one of the windows, will activate your camera. We're going to just quickly scan the sensor. That's it. Now we tap this left-hand arrow twice to get us back to the main screen. Now we're ready to put the battery in. So I'm going to just put my phone here. We're going to use our little wrench, crack open the sensor, and install our little battery. 1632, positive, facing up, slides right in like that. As soon as you do that, the sensor is going to wake up and start transmitting data to the phone. And there it goes. Okay, so it's giving us an error message because it's not connected to a tire. It thinks it's at 0 psi. So tap the gear icon to go into pressure range settings. Here we're going to change the units to Fahrenheit, the temperature units, the pressure units to psi. Then we're going to adjust the pressure range down to 0. Okay, so it stops complaining. back, and then back. So that we've set the low pressure value to 0 for this demonstration. And what we're going to do is just come on over to our tire, and we're going to just put the sensor on the valve stem. You just want to screw it on snug, not too tight. It is O-ring sealed. And then pretty quickly you see the phone has picked up the data of the tire, the proper pressure and temperature. You're good to go. You just repeat that for the other sensor, and that's going to give you your pretty much near real-time data for pressure and temperature. It communicates back to the phone about once every 15 seconds. It's going to send a signal to the phone, update you on pretty much what the tire's doing. That's really it. I've tried to make it more complicated than it actually is. It's really quite simple. Like Rory said before, these are available at AlliedPowersports.com, AlliedExpedition.com. They're on sale now. Free shipping. That's it, man. Thank you.